Step number 1, come to this website, that is pixels.com, and search for motivational quotes. Step number 2, you can use text-to-speech software like Balabulka for free to convert your text into speech. Step number 3, you can use a free video editor like Olive to make your video. Step number 4, upload your video to your channel and get tons of views. I'm going to show you how to earn $500 every single day by running a copy-paste YouTube channel. YouTube has become the number one income source for a lot of people around the world, and they are gaining a lot of money from the YouTube every day and every month. In this video today, we are going to learn how to run a YouTube channel and post copy-pasted contents in that channel and earn around $500 every single day. Yes, there is no need for showing your face, no need for talking, no need for anything else. Just copy-paste content and you will earn around $500 every single day. Just like this channel that you see on my screen. Its name is Above Inspiration. It has 2.49 million subscribers and they post copy-paste content from other places and they earn around $500 to $1,000 every single day. If you see the Above Inspiration channel on Social Blade website, you will see that they earn from $1.4 thousand to $23,000 every month. And if we come down and see, they earn around $500 every single day. You can see that they're not showing their face, they're not talking, they don't use their own voice and own content. They just literally copy content from other places and post them into their own videos and earn around $500 every day. So let's see how we can create a channel like this and earn this much money by ourselves. Step number 1, come to this website, that is pixels.com, and search for motivational quotes. In the search result, you will see a bunch of motivational quotes and pictures that you can download for free. Pixels.com is a website where copyright-free images and videos are posted that you can download for free without any copyright claim. Step number 2, you can use text-to-speech software like Balabulka for free to convert your text into speech. After converting the text into speech, you can download the audio file. Step number 3, you can use a free video editor like Olive to make your video. Just import your images and audio files to this editor and then combine them together to make your video. Step number 4, upload your video to your channel and get tons of views. This way you can earn around $500 every day by just copying and pasting content from other places and uploading them into your YouTube channel. Just like the Above Inspiration channel, you can earn a ton of money every month. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.